Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use text to speech on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open TikTok. Now make a TikTok video as you normally would. Tap on the text option and type in the text you want. You can edit your text and then tap on Done button. Tap on the text and this will bring a pop-up menu. Now select text to speech option. This will automatically make your text read out loud by a computerized voice. Now tap on the text once again and click on Set Duration. Here, if you adjust the timing placement of your text box, the audio will be moved along with it and will play on the point when text appears on the screen. Now tap on Check button on the bottom right corner. Now you can repeat these steps to add as many text boxes with text to speech as you'd like. Now tap on Next button and you can proceed to upload your video. And that is how you can use text to speech on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.